everyone, Deb here. Welcome back to my channel and another video. I've got a traveler's notebook spread for you today. Now, I did film this, it was around the end of June, start of July that I did film this, and so a while ago, last year it was, and I am using the June 2017. This truck is annoying me. Oh my goodness, he keeps going up and down our street, and I've been trying to do this voiceover, so I'm so sorry. I don't know what they're doing out there. So what I was saying was I am using the Kitaholic Kits June kits, which was Cocoa Vanilla Studio, I believe it was U-Rock collection. Now I just grabbed a piece of pattern paper and I am going to slice it down because I do not want to stick that bulk over the center of my book. My book was kind of getting quite chunky by this time, and even if it wasn't, I'd still do the same because it does create a little bit of a problem with your book closing. Oh my goodness, why are they being so noisy? How dare they? It does create the problem of the book opening and shutting properly. So I think I was testing it out and it didn't shut quite the way I wanted, so I'm going to increase the gap between them. Oh, he's going up and down on purpose, I swear to God. I think this can be the fourth time he's going to come back down. I don't know if it's Energex or Telstra's been in the area too. So just sticking all that down, and I did go through the ephemera pack and the exclusive die cuts from the June kit and picked out what I wanted to use. The blue label was from the Cocoa Vanilla collection, and the grey label under the photo was an exclusive, and this label here was from the Cocoa Vanilla collection too. And we got these awesome acrylic words, and I am going to stick it in my book. I don't mind adding bulk into my traveler's notebooks. And these tickets were on one of the pattern papers, and I did cut them out, the two blue ones, and I did try and make it work for quite some time to try and get it onto the spread, because we were at the markets. This was a photo of my daughter and myself with the Boggo Road jail hearse, and here comes the truck again. Oh no, it's the bus this time. I'm so sorry. Oh, they're annoying me. No, he's coming back down too. For those that don't know, Boggo Road is a jail in Brisbane City. You can do ghost tours there, and normal tours as well, and learn the history. They also have markets there. I'm not sure if it's every Sunday or every few Sundays, but they had the hearse at the Brisbane markets, and my daughter is obsessed with everything creepy and horror, so we got a photo with the hearse, and they were promoting the ghost tours that they do at the jail, so just documenting this in my traveler's notebook. So trying to still make those tickets work, and gluing down my acrylic piece that we got. I believe it was from Corbett Creations that we got in the kits. It's like nearly a year ago now. I can't quite remember. I'm pretty sure that it was. This layout, it remains pretty simple. I add a few things to the top left and the bottom right. Just fixing up my title, and they were the Tim Holtz little tiny little letter stickers, whatever they're called. We got them in the kits as well, so it was pretty awesome that we got a booklet of that. Gave up on the tickets, and then this is where I decide, or I think I do my journaling. Like I said, sorry, it was a while ago I filmed this. Do some journaling on this label, which came in the Cocoa Vanilla collection, I think, and then I pop one of the exclusive labels to the top left with one of the exclusive cutter parts, I'm pretty sure, and then I pop a bit of a, I think it's a label down the bottom right. So in the ephemera pack with the U-Rock collection, there was a few little photo corners, and I'm going to add them to 2 corners of my photo. And this is where I'm still playing with them tickets. I really wanted to make it work, because when you go into the markets, you get it's pretty much similar to that style of ticket that you get to get in there. But then I just eventually give up on that and start gluing everything down. Now I think that rad ephemera piece was from the Cocoa Vanilla ephemera pack. So just going to glue it all in now. Just grabbed this roller stamp. I believe, oh, there's 2 of them. I believe we got them in previous kits, and I don't know if I used that one actually, or do I grab one from my stash? I really can't remember. It's been so long since I filmed this. I don't even know what I'm doing and why the screen is not doing anything. Here I come. I must have been going through my roller stamps in my stash and just putting a sentiment on that little label at the bottom. I believe the star was from the Cocoa Vanilla ephemera pack, if I'm not mistaken. And I did grab some, like, they're supposed to be like enamel dots, but they're like puffy sticker enamel dot type things with the stars, what I'm playing with now. I got them a really long time ago from Studio Calico when I was subscribed to their kits. So I do pop a few of them about on the page, and I think I just add some Heidi Swap Color Shine in black velvet and some dark blue enamel dots from my stash, and call this layout done. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.